Dear student, in this video I am going to teach biology of class 11th Kingdom Plantae HSEB course. Characteristic of Kingdom Plantae: they are photosynthetic, multicellular, eukaryotic. Photosynthetic, they can prepare their own food in the presence of light. Multicellular, made up of more than one cell, and eukaryotic, that the cell have the well-defined nucleus. Photoautotropic is a mode of nutrition. They can prepare their own food by help of light. Fixed or free floating. Fixed means by any substratum, it is attached to any substratum, either it is freely floating in the water. Very slow. Now next is reserve food is what? It starts with the fat and very slow response towards the external stimuli. Reproduction. In reproduction, vegetative, asexual, sexual methods, the reproduction can take place. According to the topic, we will discuss how these processes are taking place. Now, cryptogams. Kingdom Plantae is divided into two sub-kingdoms. These two sub-kingdoms, that is cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams, non-flowering plant, are called cryptogams. They are not producing the flower, and so seed formation is not taking place, no seed produced. In cryptogams, in phanerogams, they are the flowering plants, and phanerogams also called spermatophyta, and they are producing the seed. Further, this spermatophyta is divided into gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm are naked seeded plant. Here fruit is not formed, so seed is naked. And angiosperm, the seed is enclosed inside the fruit. On the basis of presence of the cotyledons in the seed, they are divided into two types. One is monocot, having only one cotyledon, and second one is dicot, having two cotyledons. Cryptogams, no seed produce. There are three divisions in the cryptogams. One is Halophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Halophyta, they have thallus body. Thallus means the body cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. The plant body is like moss, that they have root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structures, so they are bryophytas. But in these both conditions, the vascular system is absent. Xylem and phloem tissues are not well developed. Now, not developed. And pteridophyta, pterido means like the feather. Feather, the leaf is like the feather. That's why they are named pteridophyta. And these pteridophytas, in this vascular tissues are present. So this is about the Kingdom Plantae, how they are divided. In thallophytes, algae, we have to study about the algae and Spirogyra. In algae, in detail we have to study about the Spirogyra. So the characteristic of algae, they are autotrophic. The body is thallus, cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf, and they are non-flowering plants. They do not give flower. Xylem and phloem tissue. Xylem and phloem tissue are absent, so they are non-vascular. After this, habitat. These all plants are aquatic plants. Aquatic mostly because they are found in the water, so they are aquatic plants. Reserve food is starch. Single cell, non-jacketed sex organ for the sexual reproduction. Most of them reproduce asexually by the means of spores. Spores may be motile, may be non-motile. Sexual reproduction, isogamy. Iso means similar. Isogamy, gamous, angiogamous and oogamous. Embryonic stage is absent in the life cycle. Carotene, chlorophyll A are common in all algae. chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C and chlorophyll D. Carotene, xanthophyll, phycobilins. Phycobilins is of two types, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. Allophycocyanin, this is responsible for the red color and this phycocyanin is responsible for the blue color. Study of algae is called phycology. Expert of algae is phycologist. Term algae was given by Carolus Linnaeus in 1753, but the actual term algae for the aquatic thalloid plant, this was given by D. Jussius in 1789. And the father of phycologist is F. E. Francis. So this was about the scientist who has worked on algae. Habitat majority is marine, some fresh water, brackish water. Brackish water is where the fresh water mixed with the saline water or that salty water, that is called the brackish water. Epozoic, that is growing on the body of the other animals, that is called the epozoic. And parasitic, that is tea pepper. This example is tea pepper. So in these all are the habitats of algae. On the basis of photosynthetic pigment, storage material and the complexity of their structure. Storage material and the complexity of their structure, algae is further divided into three classes. One is red algae, this is Rhodophyceae, brown algae, Phaeophyceae, green algae, Chlorophyceae. And these three is the different classes of algae and we have to discuss these three. One, now here the pictures are given, you can see the red algae, brown algae and green algae. In this video this much. In the next video we will discuss about the red algae, brown algae and green algae. Hello students, today I am going to continue the chapter Kingdom Plantae, in which I was discussing about algae. Red algae, green algae and brown algae. Three algae we have to discuss. That algae is classified in three types. That one is red algae, blue algae and green algae. The first topic is about the red algae. The red algae includes about 5,000 species. Habitat mostly marine, few are freshwater. That is Brachiospasmum. They can be motile or flagellated, stage is absent. Plant body is thallus. Thallus cannot be differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Unicellular, filamentous, parenchymatous, ribbon-like, beautiful, lace-like. These all are the plant bodies. The plant bodies can be of different types. Cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, pectin and phycocolloids. Photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, carotene, xanthophyll and phycobilins. Phycobilins is two types, that is R. phycoerythrin, which is responsible for the red color, and R. phycocyanin, which is responsible for the blue color. Reproduction can be vegetative. By fragmentation, the body is divided into two or more fragments and each fragment develop in a new algae. Asexual reproduction can be by monospore, tetraspores, carpospores, gymnii. This asexual reproduction is taking place. Sexual reproduction takes place by oogamy. There is male sex organ and female sex organ part, male sex part and female sex part or organ, anything we can say. Antheridium produce the spermatium, that is the male gamete, and carpogonium, which is an elongated organ which is producing trichogamy, which receives the spermatium, that is the male gamete. They show alternation of generation. In the life cycle of the algae, two phases are coming. One is gametophytic, one is sporophytic. Gamete formation is gametophytic, spore formation stage is sporophytic. Red algae examples are given here, that is Xylidium, Porphyra, Batra, Cos, Spermum, and Phyllophora, etc. This is about the red algae. Next topic is about the brown algae. The next is about the brown algae. Brown algae, which is called Phaeophyceae, about 2000 species are known. Most of them are marine, except Pleurochladia and Heribaudilla. This is exception case which is not marine, and Lithodermia is found in the colder region. Plant body is blade-like, steep and hold fast. Three part it is divided. One is which is showing the leaf-like structure. This stepy is stream-like, and the hold fast cell which help the algae to attach with the strata. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin, and phycocollates. Photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A and C, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotene, xanthophyllus, that is fucoxanthin. The brown color, that is the Phaeophyceae, due to the presence, brown color is due to the presence of the fucoxanthin, that is C40H56 and O6 molecular formula. The brown algae looks brown due to the presence of this pigment, which is what? Fucoxanthin. Due to the presence of this pigment, it has brown color. Here, carotenoids are naked. Reserve food is laminin, that is the carbohydrate, or mannitol, that is the alcoholic sugar. Reproduction, vegetative, asexual, and sexual. By all three methods, in brown algae, the reproduction takes place. The vegetative, that is by the fragmentation. Asexual, the spores can be motile, can be non-motile. The motile, that is the biflagellate zoospores. Sexual reproduction is taking place by isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Example is Sargassum, Fucus, Laminaria, Microcysts, Ectocarus, Icteota, etc. These all are the example of brown algae. The third one is the green algae. First was red, then brown, and then green. Green algae is also known as Chlorophyceae. It comprises about 7,000 species. Habitat majority is fresh water, but some is also found in the marine water, soil, water, rocks in oceans, rocks in the oceans. Plant body is thallus and gametophytic, means in haploid condition. Unicellular, this plant body can be unicellular, flagellated, cladomonas, non-flagellated, chlorella, carassium, acetabularia, etc. Flagellated colonies like the volvax, these all are the examples. Chlamydomonas, chlorella. Flagellated colonies, volvax. Non-flagellated colonies, these are Sensi, Dismus, and Hydrodactylon, etc. Filamentous, Spirogara, Ulothrix, Oidogonium, etc. Coinocytes, it can be example, for example, Vaucheria and Caulerpa, etc. Falacious parenchymatous, example, Ulva. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Mode of nutrition is photoautotropic. Photosynthetic pigment, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenes, and xanthophylls. Chloroplast generally contains the starch as the store food, and that starch store food in the chloroplast is known as perinoid, and this perinoid is the protein surrounded by the starch grain. Reproduction, vegetative, asexual, sexual, vegetative by fragmentation, asexually by non-motile spores, by motile spores, sexual reproduction can take place by isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Examples of green algae is Spirogara, Volvex, Ulothrix, Chloria and Ulva, etc. So this was about the three algae, red algae, brown algae and green algae.
Today this much. In the next video I will discuss about the structure of a Spirogara.